Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Kang here, Finer Country Estate Agents in Derbyshire. I hope you're well. Today we are in a beautiful small quaint village called Bowl Hill, just above Wirksworth in Matlock. We're actually about 10 or 15 minutes away from Matlock by car and only about 20 odd minutes away from Ashbourne as well. Now, the properties we're here to see today are known collectively as Moor Cottage Farm. It's actually a set of 4 individual properties ranging from a 6-bed down to a 1-bed, there's a 4-bed, a 2-bed, all set in the magnificent 22 acres. It's got ample land, ample parking. You've actually got a lake there as well, a garage block, a play area, a picnic area, and it's an absolutely fantastic setting for what we're going to see today. So the 4 individual properties are magnificent in their own setting. They're actually used as guest accommodation for a wider business by our current owners, but they'd be ideal for a holiday let village or somebody who wants to maybe live in one and rent out the other 3. It's absolutely loads of different options here, and today we're going to take a look around. Well, here I am by the lakeside here, just admiring all these few properties here. The current owner has actually gone to the trouble of getting projection from a really well-known ALA registered holiday let company, and their projected income here of over £250,000 a year. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, well, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sure you'll agree, absolutely an amazing opportunity here to acquire 4 separate properties in this absolutely picturesque area. Ideal, as I said, for holiday lets or somebody who wants a bit of a lifestyle change. You know, if it was me, I'd probably move into one of the smaller ones and rent the other ones out, or vice versa. There's so many different options here. You've got fabulous flat 22 acres as well. So if you did want to, increase the holiday let business, you could think about doing luxury yurts or glamping or whatever it may well be, or you just might want to buy it as a family. Everybody has got their own property and nobody's really inside each other's space as well. So the options here are fantastic. So if you'd like to learn more or arrange a viewing, drop me an email or give me a call on the details you're about to see on your screen, and hopefully I'll see you soon.